supposed to know that wasn't the fire?
Because it didn't sound like the fire bell.
It did.
It didn't.
It did.
No, it didn't. The fire bell's a completely different sound. It's a semitone higher.
A semitone?
At least. Anyway, we don't have the fire drill until 12 o'clock.
It is 12 o'clock.
Well, it is now because we've been standing in line.
We must tell which bells which we heard them, have we?
You want to hear them? Right, fine, suit me. Here's the burglar alarm.
Oh, wouldn't we catch them first, Fawlty?
There aren't any.
Then why does the alarm keep going?
Got that? Right, got it?
Well, what's happening now?
Now, here's the fire bell. It's a completely different sound. Listen. Well, where are you going? Listen, so you can hear the bell so you know what it sounds like when I do read it in a few moments. Where are you going? When you come back?
We're going outside.
Just listen to it, you old fools. Listen, just listen to it.
Fire!
Shut up. It's not fire, it's only bell. Where are you going? No, I'm only showing you what the bell sounds like. Now, will you go back in there and help Chef fry the chips?
The chef not here.
Then go start frying the chips.
Chips?
Yes, and when bell go again, stay.
What?
Only fire, no fire, only practice. Tell him, Polly. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
Perhaps they're upstairs, Fawlty.
What's happening